Taking a look now at the latest COVID numbers here in Indiana. Yesterday, the health department reported 933 new cases and another 51 deaths. So far since March of 2020, more than 1.67 million Hoosiers have tested positive. And as COVID cases drop, the U.S. Navy is getting ready to leave Methodist Hospital.
You may remember that 20-person team was brought in last month to help with the surge there. At its peak, IU Health was treating more than 600 COVID patients in its hospitals. Well, now that number has dropped to 256. But despite that drastic decrease, health officials say they remain cautiously optimistic.
I think some relief that things look a little bit better. At the same time, a lot of fatigue.
We are still extremely busy, so our hospital is still very full. It's just a different type of full.
Well, that drop in cases is also giving those hospitals a chance to catch up a bit on those elective surgeries. Many had to be postponed during the most recent surge.
And as we approach the 2-year mark of life with COVID, some officials are declaring we've entered a new phase, one that's actually pretty good. California is the first state to officially shift to an endemic approach, but they also warn that the public should be prepared for a return of mandates if cases do spike. But this approach is a source of major debate. Some say restrictions are being lifted too soon.
You don't want to be reckless and throw everything aside, but you got to start inching towards that.
And for many parts of the U.S., mask mandates are set to expire by the end of March. Now, the CDC could roll back national masking guidance this week. It's unclear whether mandates will be extended to subways, trains, ride shares, and airplanes.